Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Pusheen rainbow unicorn. So let's get started. To draw this magical Pusheen, let's first start by drawing a little curve right here for the top of her head. Then from there we're going to draw her ears. I'm going to come up, round off the tip, and come right back down. So same thing over here. Go up, round off the tip, and come down. From there, I'm going to come, let's say right here in this area and draw her stripes. So I'm just going to put in 3 U's right underneath this curve. Then I'm going to come down to the center, so say about right here. And I'm going to give myself a point. I'm going to go straight down and then curve out on both sides. So this is the nose and mouth area. And I'll draw a little curve right underneath for a happy smile. Then from there, I'm going to draw her eyes. I'm going to come to the side about right here and draw a circle. And I'll come into the corner right here with another circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. So same thing about right here. From there, I'm going to bring this curve down on this side and widening out a little bit. And then on this side, because Pusheen is sitting, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve for her back. So I'll bring this out and say about right here. I'll stop because I'm still going to go more. But right here, I'm going to stop a little bit because I want to draw her mane on her back. And I'll bring this curve down. And then I'll go ahead and come in here once again and continue her back all the way down. So I just want to pop this part out. Is my goal right there. And then from there, let's bring this down more. And about right in this area, I'm going to stop and draw a curve. So this is going to be Pusheen's tail that we're going to start to draw. So I'm going to bring out this curve that comes out and down. And let's bring this around. So I'm just going back and forth just to see where to put everything. So now I'll come about right here. And so I just want to end about right there. And I'll bring out her tail. So let's bring Pusheen all the way and right here for the bottom. There. Oops, they went down. Now that I'm looking at my camera. There. Okay, so then from there, let's finish off this tail. And just nice and soft, and I'm just going to give it a little curl and connect it. So then right here, why we have this line is because I'm going to come in this area right here and come out, and we're going to draw her mane. So just round off the tip, come in 1, we're going to draw 3 of them, 2, and last one, just tuck it in right here. There, now it makes sense, right? And you know what, let's come in here lightly. I'll just put a line right there for the different colors, and same thing over here. So we're going to come right here, follow my outside, and just kind of taper it in, and one more here. If you don't want these harsh lines, you can just do that when you're coloring. Oops. There. Okay, so I put Pusheen's tail in, and I almost forgot her whiskers. Oh my goodness. So let's come to where her eyes are, about right here, and I'll pop out 2 whiskers right in this area, and same thing over here. There. And of course, the horn. So right in the center, I'm going to go up, say about right here, round off the tip, and come right back down. And for some details, let's just come in here with some curves. And let's see here. That is pretty much it for Pusheen, the unicorn. Now let's add a rainbow. So I'm going to come to the side right here and I'll add a cloud. So come right here, add a nice big fluffy cloud. And right here. So I'm going to come right across on this area. So say about right here. And I just want to make sure I end about the same area at the bottom because I want it kind of nice and even for the clouds. So I'll give myself a point there. And I'll just draw another fluffy cloud over here. There. Okay, so now to draw the big arc for our rainbow. So I'm going to come about right here. And I'm going to end about right here. So I'll just give myself a point. And okay, so let's draw this big arc. So about right here, my center will be the highest. And come right back down. Hopefully it looks like an arc. Okay, so then the inside, so about right here, the inside's smaller and easier. So I'm just going to follow my top. And whatever space right here. Okay, so then I want to come in here and draw two stripes. So say about right here and here, nice and even. I'm just giving myself points so I kind of know. Okay, so let's draw this one first. Top. Oh my gosh. It's so hard when you can't put your head over the drawing, right? Okay, got one and one more. And right in here. There. Not too bad, right? Okay, so that is pretty much it for, oh no, actually, you know what? Let's add some sparkle because this is very magical. Almost forgot. So let's come right here. And I'm just going to add maybe 3 sparkles. So it's just 4 curves that comes to a point. So maybe right here as well. 4 curves, and they all come to the center point. And one more. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this magical Pusheen drawing turned out and that it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.